In this video, I'll talk about unsupervised learning. To understand unsupervised learning algorithm, let us take the same example that we have taken when we studied supervised learning. We want to segregate the patients who are malignant and who are not malignant based on size of the tumor and the age of the patient. In the first graph that you can see on the screen, I have plotted the supervised learning algorithm, wherein we have been given whether a patient is a malignant or the cancer is malignant or not. If it is a red cross, then it's a malignant cancer. If it is green, then it's not a malignant cancer. We have the output variable with us, or the output of the task. What is the output here? The output is whether or not a particular cancer is malignant, and the inputs are size of the tumor and age of the patient. Imagine a situation where the output variable is unknown. The only observations that we have with us is the age of the patient and the size of the cancer or size of the tumor. We do not have the information on the output variable. The machine in this case is not provided with the output variable, hence it is not a supervised learning algorithm case, or it is not a supervised learning problem. You can see on the right hand side in the second graph, you have only the red crosses. There is no distinction as such. There is no distinction between malignant and not non-malignant cancer. The machine learns itself to distinguish between these two cases. It groups them into two categories. There is this technique which is used. It's known as clustering technique. We will learn about it later, which is used to group the patients into different categories. So that kind of cases is known as the unsupervised learning problems, wherein there is no output. One of the very popular use of unsupervised learning algorithm is the way Google News shows its story in its page. I have opened my Google News page. You can see on the screen. You can see on the top story, one of the British individual has been taken hostage by ISIS, and the family members are seeking out for his release, and there are different stories in different news channels. One is there in Fox News, and then you have International Business Times UK, Daily Mail, NBC. So what the Google News algorithm, which is an unsupervised learning algorithm, does is that it scans through a number of pages, thousands of pages of news articles based on these keywords. Alan Henning's family make desperate plea. So this keyword, it scans through hundreds of thousands of web pages and finds out the most important one related to this news and club them together and shows it on its page. And similarly it does with other news headings as well. That's like one of the very popular use of unsupervised learning algorithm in our daily lives. We look at these things almost every day.